Kembo Mohadi na Zimbabwe second vice president as I dey talk to na he don resign, he leave him post, he step down because of why allegations dey against am say he dey do some sexual torontos all around, you understand, and because of that he don decide to come down. And according to the local media, they come tell us say this man wey I dey talk about, he go do the do with a married woman. They say even the matter even include members of the subordinates and even college students. This man no get joy, my people. And as now the vice president himself don't they give us reason according to that, say they step down because they coward or they fear anything. No, say they step down because in they try save the president. I be get respect for the president, so they try save our embarrassment. So you don't want that one. I beg my people, may no be say now my mouth can't drop the pig. So join me, make we listen.
So he resigned this evening. He wrote a letter to the President Emerson Mnangagwa where he said this is he has done some soul searching and he has seen that it's good for him to resign and save the image of the Zimbabwe government. He says this it's unfortunate, but he's not a coward.
Hey, oh boy. No be only Nigeria things dey shele because my people, this particular period where we dey like this, any bad thing wey happen, no just mention name, just say they don't beat person, you go just hear na Nigeria, because everybody don't dey used to Nigeria and bad things, you understand. In fact, Nigeria and bad things now na 5 and 6. When this matter reach me, I say now be say, in fact, now I tell you this thing, I tell you this thing, say Zimbabwe and Nigeria now, they compete, serious competition. Now this man don't come out now, the open man. I did not do it because of cowardness. I did it. I didn't want to embarrass the president. You don't know, say you know what embarrass president, where they do. All the plenty respect wey according to you get for president, you say you get plenty respect for am. The time wey you dey chuku, how come you no remember say I get respect for president? You do finish, they don't catch you. Now the problem wey I get with una like be this one. You know they do something now, you no go dey think. When they don't catch you now, you go start dey either blame devil or you go come dey bring one English way they inside dictionary, they stress my own head. Yeah, trying to save the president some embarrassment and this one. Because they to say, wait till be that English. Clear conscience does not fear allegation. Abi? Yes. Make person tell me why this man resign. Why you resign, bros? In fact, bring her outside. Why you resign? No, I mean I won't know, because now you they talk say you know do something. You dey against everything where they point finger for. So if you don't say you know do that thing, why you resign? Simple. Abi you go school. I go show you say myself I go school. If you don't do any bad thing, you suppose stand. You understand? At least bring proof out. And now the reason why I even bring this matter outside, yeah. If you know say all of them are where they Zimbabwe now they listen to me. If you don't say you and this man do something, whether you be politician member, whether you be married person or student, all of una way they involved inside this circle. If you don't say you do something with this man, start to come outside now they talk. Very, very important, because this one now we don't they lie. You know say they lie on top of our head. And as he be now, very soon we go start to hear names. Names go start to come out. You understand? So make una come outside. Nobody there above the law. Come outside. Same punishment where you need to take, you go take him. Thank God say you don't already resign on your own. This one, nobody. No, he come out by himself. Now if they say you dey guilty. You dey guilty. You for stay there for your position. Then you go wait. Abi una get police people, una get investigators. You go wait when they check the thing. They go investigate. They go check the matter. Then finally, we go come here and public say, no, is innocent or this one. You yourself, you just carry your leg now. Say you they step down. Already you don't say yourself out, my brother, in case you no know. Just this small thing wey you just do, you think say e dey wise, you don't say yourself out. And no worry, me, this your matter. You know, except say I know they know they call me Madam Aproko. I go dig inside, I go bring her. Make una now see una need subscribe. All the videos, I go start to dig inside this matter now. So next time I go bring una video of, because I know say they go they come out one by one, they go they come out they talk small small. Make una relax. So because I don't bring this matter on here for now. He resign. Now person go call Puma now when they tell me say you do the right thing, you do the right thing, you do the right thing. Because this Zimbabwe when we they talk about, Zimbabwe need break. Zimbabwe needs serious break, because I just dey imagine with the economical challenge where they get, how country go get 2 vice presidents? Why una no say the money self no dey come like that? Una get 2 vice presidents. Opo, no be small thing o. No wonder they just dey complain, money this, money that. Make una do something, because now some people even though they tell me say the second one self make it resign, say they don't tire. In fact, all of una know una self, me I no go talk past this one. My people, now the matter be this. They say he sleep with people, now he don't resign by himself. So wait till now they call that one. No be guilty conscience. So start to drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply on one by one. Make sure say you share this video, because my Zimbabweans, they need to hear me. They need to know what they happen. Many of them they don't even know what they happen for their country. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you no go know who be the girls and the women where do they do with them. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, picture don dey go viral since about one headmistress, because as people see this picture, nobody even dey believe say this one na headmistress. Na why I bring am out to open una eye. Na true, na headmistress for wetin dem dey call that primary school, and this one dey for Kogi State. As una see am like that, where she sit down, that place wey una dey see na office o. So make una treat am with respect. Now office be that. And this school where they talk about like this, they located for Ajakoli, the Kina local government, for inside this same Kogi State. My people, these things I not just, in fact, things like this, I not just know whether make I remove my heart so that I go see say my heart they broken. I be una go just believe me for, as I dey talk, just they talk. Because my heart they into pieces right now. Why you say some people no just get conscience? See headmistress. Wait I don't understand. It be like say for this Kogi State where we they talk about it be like say nobody they stay there. Like how they talk about people where they power, people where they authority. Be like say they know they stay there. I be they always they travel, busybody people. Because I not just don't understand how person will see something like this with him koro eyes, and the thing no move am, the thing no do am anything. See educational state for Kogi. See their background. See everything. Hey, shame, shame don't wear bra. Shame don't wear bra. And this one's now. I mean, how these students won't even learn? How they even want to sit down? The only thing now, na nordnas. Now nordnas governors they think about. Now nordnas they support. They just they come out with foolish messages about nordnas. Now the only thing one nasabi. Now the only thing make person just come out now come talk against nordnas. Una go sabi reply fast. But this one where happen now, where the picture don't they go viral, they show say una don't see them. Una still keep quiet like say nothing happen. If na not now, na go sabi you come in front of camera, they give useless explanation where I don't even know where they bring am from. But see children. If they be adults now, I go say okay, they fit manage. Children, now they keep like this under tree. Now you not see how they don't even get chairs. Oh, now the branch, I be waiting they record that thing. The branch of tree, I be na root of tree. I don't know the thing where they come out like that. Now that one they just arrange. They arrange and wear. Now that on top of that thing, these people they sit down. And una just they pass. The one way even they pay me, they say, you see all these people now. Madam headmistress or even the parents of those children wait they sit down under that tree. Tomorrow now they go still they run. They support this administration where they ground now. Now them go still come out vote for this, vote for that. Una go still run. Why be so una like e be like say pain too dey comot for people body. Because I no just dey understand. After you go through this thing, tomorrow now they go tell you come and vote. They go just bribe una with maybe 100 naira, 500 naira. Una two go run, they go, so una they go vote. This poor administration. So now one time I say these people they no get money to at least. I'm not even they ask for a 3-story building. At least even if now 3 classrooms, make I just use that one. So they no fit just do something, construct something. Ordinary states. This man no fit handle. Ordinary states. Now tomorrow now go dey come outside say una wan run for presidency. You want to run for presidency. Continue running, you will soon fall down. If you no fit even handle state, small thing like that, small community. Now this whole country you won't come handle. I just imagine if this man now like come become president. Hey, Chineke. In fact, our own go just finish once. We go just finish. Forget am. School. Una no go even see school. Not to talk of nothing. If you allow these people dey like this, it's heartbreaking. It's very hard. See, I just dey imagine if rain dey fall. The days wey rain fall, then they say these children no go even fit attend. Because normally, even if rain fall, you fit still go school. The important thing be say car go drop you. You understand? But this ones now, let me say the day wey rain fall, nobody go class. And then the day wey dey class now, sun come shine plenty like that. Imagine. No, now why some people just dey run mad anyhow? Now why some people as they grow up, you go just dey see say something dey happen for their brain. You no say na this kind of things. When sun don hit your skull, una no go understand wetin I dey talk about. But people wey know, they understand wetin I dey talk about. People don't just get heart everywhere. In fact, heartless souls wey we get for power, wey we put by ourselves. But go check their children. Go check school where these people children dey. Hey, if you see school, no be joke. I dey joke. If you see schools where these politicians children they attend, no be Africa. Make una dey there the Jones. No be Africa. And the schools alone, they pay in dollars. I know they like they mention dollars. When the matter don't extreme, you know they complete the dollars. They pay in dollars. You understand? So for now to see, now why they are not bothered. Because they know that their own, they safe. Their own, they in nice environment. Their own, they learn well. In fact, everything they smooth. They say they send them pocket money, our money on top of that one. Una no go believe all these things where they talk until the thing happen to una. These people are suffering. Now why I bring this matter come outside? Africans, see, una too like, I don't even know how I feel explain this thing. Una go they suffer, yet una go they smile with people where they make una suffer. I don't say me, you know, they forgive people or treat. This one, they talk about politicians. See, they don't wish you now well. So stop the smile. All this smile, when they smile. I just say even this headmistress tomorrow night they go meet her now with maybe one bundle of 500 naira notes. She go just forget say she done that tree. Una mata tire me. Now why I bring this thing? Make una open una eye. And wait till they call your name, Governor of Kogi State, Mr. Nodna. Now I understand all your matter. No worry, I don't even want to go further. Now I understand that. Because give these people shelter. I build something for them. A whole governor, you no fit do anything. You dey wait now. Now citizens go still come donate money, come build school like the one wey happen. Mothers they join. They from their pocket money. I be waiting they call that thing. They bring money for 1 year. These people save money, build school. When they get governor, what a pity. My people, I beg. I don't bring this matter because I need make una help me share this video. Very, very important. I beg. If no be for anything for those children, they need help. I beg share this video so that the governor of Kogi State go hear me and he go do something about that. That is if truly he get good heart. You understand? And if you never subscribe, I beg subscribe. If not, you go miss anything when we drop. And your comments, of course, very, very important. I need to know what you think concerning this matter. So drop them there. I will reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.